Hey everybody, how's everything going? I hope that last week went well for you, and I hope that you're getting more familiar with iLearn 3. I know that I am, I think, and I hope that you have an idea of how this course is going to go. It was great to get to know some of you and to look over your posts and to see what was going on in your guys' life. For this week, we're going to really delve into the world of psychology now. You will finally be able to get an idea of what it's all about and why I think it's super awesome. So I'm just going to do a quick overview of what you're going to expect for this week. So you'll be able to provide a basic definition of psychology and what it means. And you'll be able to identify that there's more to this field than therapy, counseling, and diagnosing. There's a lot of things going on in this. Uh, so hopefully that you know what they are now. And another thing is I hope that you learned that there's a lot of things that we learned from philosophers way back from Plato and Socrates' time that we still use in the field of psychology today. Their groundbreaking work is what, created a lot of the different theories that we will talk about in the future. Also, I hope you know I got to know some of the major historical figures in psychology. I think everybody is familiar with Sigmund Freud. He's one of the most well-known psychologists. Even though we don't use a lot of his work anymore, he did a lot of interesting stuff, to say the least. But there's more to psychology and the psychologist than just him. And I hope that you are able to get that. You'll get that from this week. Also, psychology is a science, and we do use the scientific method, especially when we are doing experiments and when we're coming up with new theories. It is very scientific in that sense. But there also is a difference between experimental psychology and applied psychology. And this week should be able to give you an idea of what those differences are so that you can identify them. Also, another small thing that you'll learn about is what bias is and how bias can affect scientific studies in the field of psychology. So here's just a few things that you will be expected to know. These things will show up on your quizzes and your unit exams for this week. And any difficult concepts or whatever that I may find that may be challenging you, I will try to address them in our weekly meeting, which I will announce in the announcements for the time for that. So feel free to ask me any questions, and good luck for this week.